Hi guys, just a wee review. KAA gonna have a wee mouse here. Somebody ought to tell him not to play with her food. I've got to wriggle the mouse about a couple of times, so she thinks it's alive, because she doesn't want to eat stuff, but she'll wrap herself in it if she thinks it's alive. She's getting a wee nibble now and again, She's trying to find the best position to get it in. But she definitely wants to eat it. I've just stuck panels of insects in me. Well, no panels, but a lot of insects in with the spider as well, so she was out and about. She's not out very often, she only comes out when she's looking for food, so I take it she must be hungry. It must be sort of hibernating season or something. She's fatting herself up for the winter or whatever. But here's a snake gonna start on us now, I think. KAA, the snow corn snake. I keep saying coral snake. The guys at Pro Exotic in Greenock, they're always correcting me. The guys know their stuff though. Good bunch of guys. Right, there she goes now. I'm glad she's doing that because she's not been eating for over a week there. As I said, I've got to kind of wriggle the mouse about to make it look sort of alive before she'll touch it. Then it's a bit as if she's in the wild and wraps round about it and squashes it and stuff, and then she'll sit there for ages squashing it till she thinks it's no moving and stop breathing and all that, and then she'll start to eat it. Otherwise she just won't get near it. But she's getting into it now. Hazel the spider, the Mexican grey, she's got a Mario worm, a couple of mealworms, a couple of crickets, a couple of locusts in there. She'll not eat them all at once. They'll float about in the tank there for a week or so. She'll eventually get them all though. And this snake seems to be getting right into this anyway. She knows what she's doing, put it that way. It's as if she's pure chewing it and enjoying it. That's quite a big mouse, that, actually. Quite a wee fat one. Seems to be doing the business. She's beautiful. She is getting bigger. It's sometimes hard to tell, but she is getting bigger. Sometimes she looks still dead small. Sometimes when she's in her tank, she looks enormous. And the one I've seen on one of the YouTube videos of the snow corn snakes, man, it's one of the big boa constrictors looking. A big, long, fat thing. I can't wait till she gets quite big, actually. I don't think Hazel's the Mexican grey tarantula, I don't think she's going to get much bigger. She's getting fatter, right enough, but I don't reckon she's going to get much bigger. I don't have a wee struggle with that back leg, there, wee car. Maybe. We'll see what we see. We struggle with it and I'll try and help you, don't worry. It's struggling for you, look at that. A good girl. A good big snake. Don't you try and even think about bolting under that couch now. Just had to move her earlier so she didn't bolt. Yeah, she's alright. Anyway guys, here a wee video. KAA eating again. Okie dokie. Right, catch you after guys. Bye bye.